Imagine stepping outside tonight. You look up, and the moon is wrong. It is too large, too close, or maybe there is more than one. The tides pull harder than they ever have. The night sky glows with unfamiliar shapes, and deep within Earth's gravity, something has already begun to unravel. This is not fantasy. This is physics. What if Earth did not have its own moon? What if Earth borrowed moons from other planets? For more than 4 billion years, Earth has lived with one constant companion, our moon. It stabilizes Earth's spin. It calms our tilt. It governs the oceans. It quietly protects life from chaos. Remove it or replace it, and Earth does not simply change its appearance. Earth becomes a different world. To understand what happens next, we must begin with what we already have. Earth's moon is unusually large compared to its planet, nearly a quarter of Earth's diameter. That size matters. It acts like a gravitational anchor, keeping Earth's axis steady. Without it, Earth would wobble unpredictably. Seasons would swing wildly. Ice ages would come and go without warning. This fragile balance is what we are about to disturb. Now imagine Earth borrowing the moons of Mars. Phobos and Deimos arrive quietly. They are tiny, barely visible in the sky. At first, the change feels subtle. Tides weaken, oceans grow calmer, coastlines stabilize. But something far more dangerous begins. Without a massive moon, Earth's axial tilt slowly drifts. Seasons lose their rhythm. Climate patterns collapse. Ice spreads toward the equator, then retreats just as suddenly. Civilizations struggle to adapt. Phobos slowly spirals inward. Eventually, it breaks apart, forming a thin ring around Earth. The sky becomes beautiful, but the planet becomes unstable. Next, Earth borrows a moon from Jupiter. Europa enters Earth's orbit. It is massive, dense, powerful. The moment it arrives, gravity tightens its grip. Tides surge higher than ever before. Entire coastal regions flood twice a day. Earth's crust flexes under relentless stress. Volcanoes awaken. Earthquakes become routine. Asteroids are pulled toward Earth more frequently, guided by Europa's gravity. Yet something unexpected happens. Europa stabilizes Earth's tilt even more than our moon ever did. Seasons become mild. Ice ages disappear. Earth becomes geologically violent, but climatically calm. It is a dangerous trade. Now imagine Earth borrowing Titan, the giant moon of Saturn. Titan is heavier than our moon, wrapped in a thick orange haze. Once it settles into orbit, Earth's oceans respond violently. Megatides reshape continents. River systems reverse direction. If Saturn's rings followed Titan, Earth would gain a permanent ring system. The night sky would glow endlessly. Darkness would become rare. Photosynthesis would change. Ecosystems would evolve at unprecedented speed. Human civilization would be forced inland. The coastlines would no longer belong to us. Then comes the most dangerous experiment of all. Earth borrows Triton, a moon of Neptune. Triton is different. It orbits backward, a captured world from deep space. Once Triton enters Earth's orbit, balance collapses. Its retrograde motion destabilizes Earth's rotation. Tides become erratic. Weeks-long floods are followed by sudden retreats. Over millions of years, Triton spirals inward. Earth's sky fills with debris. Eventually, Triton is torn apart. Earth gains a ring and loses long-term stability. This world does not last. After borrowing moons from across the solar system, one truth becomes impossible to ignore. Our moon is not just any moon. It is the right moon. Not too big, not too small, not too close, not too distant. Every borrowed moon introduces imbalance. Stronger tides, weaker stability, geological chaos. The sequence is always the same. Orbital disruption begins immediately. Tidal forces reshape oceans and coastlines. Axial tilt shifts, altering climate. Earth's crust fractures under stress. Ecosystems collapse or evolve rapidly. Civilizations must adapt or vanish. This is gravity's domino effect. Earth's moon is not a coincidence. It is a cosmic accident that made life possible. Borrow the wrong moon and Earth survives. But it is no longer familiar, no longer gentle, no longer home. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember this. It is not just lighting the night sky, it is holding the planet together. And that leaves one final question. If a single moon can shape the fate of an entire world, what happens to planets that have none at all? That is a story for the next What If.